Hello, welcome to Devlog 6. Um, a lot has been fixed, a lot has been changed as well. As you can tell, the door model over here has been changed. Um, there's a few new items here. For example, right here we have a med kit, which for some reason now has the bug that the door previously had. We'll get onto that, where you have to overlap it twice to use it. As you saw on top left there, it heals you for 5 health. The key card is here as usual at the start of the level. So now we have a slightly better looking door, I think. It's not as ugly as the other one was, I think. And we've also got two animations playing out here. We have the keycard one, which is a separate animation to this one because the keycard one is probably a lot more versatile than the door would be. So you just ignore those. Just ignore those completely. We have some debris scattered around to kind of flesh out the world. Mover is staying the same. I can't imagine I'm going to change this. I might change the model, like, if I really, really want to. There's also a new crosshair. That is not just text. It's not just a word text plus system. System sentence on a widget. All the widgets now work as well. The hidden and the crouch widget work. Crouching is a little bit bugged because I'm trying to swap it to a toggle rather than a hold. For some reason, it returns when you crouch. It returns to like a halfway position, which I'm not too sure why. I am looking into it, but it works better because it actually keeps the player crouched when they go under something, and also doesn't. I say that if they don't press crouch again, it keeps them crouched under an object and makes them hidden. However, it also just does a bit of a weird buggy thing, but it's fixable. This room is a bit more decorated. There's a few shelves around now. The keycard is still up there. There's not really an indicator that there's a keycard up there. However, this is a puzzle, stealth, action, sci-fi game, so I'll leave it to the player to figure that one out. Instead of just kind of plastering yellow paint everywhere, I guess. Do it the Dying Light way and just spray paint everything yellow that the player can interact with. So yeah, if we go up here, not a lot has changed about this room. Added a door here, if this would like to grab. Yeah, some of the collisions with the physic handle are still a little bit buggy. I might try and like widen the physics handle arrow that attaches to objects to make it easier to hit things. But for now, it's fine. It works. There's another look at the keyhole animation. I'm actually really proud of that. I'm very probably the thing I'm happiest with in this update. So here is a pretty big change. And now instead of running away from aliens, you are now running away from robots. There are going to be several different types of robots. These ones are called surveys. They fly, and if they hit you, then they explode. I'll give you a demonstration here without letting the other one touch me. Oh, the fire. Okay, it might be because I'm on a low thing, but the fire is very underwhelming there. Yeah, it's because I'm on a low render setting. But yeah, as you can see, they do random roam if you lose sight of them. However, it's very hard to lose sight of them. That is something that I need to work on. It's probably just going to be maybe lowering the radius. However, they are just very, very, very persistent. I fixed where they got stuck a lot. It was as simple as just making them random roam again if their random roam failed. I did have a temporary patch for it, which was just to make them teleport to a random spot, which worked, but it was also really ugly. This works a little bit better. Oh my god, leave me alone. So in this room, once again, there's no indicator of what you're really supposed to do other than find a keycard as indicated by the door. Oh, we're at random. Okay, cool. Yep, see, they go back to a random room if you lose sight of them. And here is the keycard in one of these boxes. I don't know what that was. And he has spotted me again, and I'm on 5 HP, so if this guy touches me, I will die. And I'd quite like to show you the end of level. So if I could lose sight of this guy just by cheating and just moving out of his nav mesh. As you can tell, that still needs a little bit of work, but it's fine. Oh, stealth system, that would actually be really helpful to show off. It works, but it also doesn't. Um, it works to a degree. So if you hide before they spot you, then they just leave you alone. If you hide mid-chase, they don't, but they do after like a certain amount of time, which, you know, makes sense. However, I think I'd rather them just kind of leave you alone as soon as you hide. So as you can see, you can't see me, I'm crouched. Can you see me? Nope, see, can't see me. So the hidden variable does work, which I'm actually pretty surprised with. Because it was giving me some real issues, and I'm not really sure why. So he's stuck here. I'm just gonna use this as an example, and he goes back and he just goes to a different path thing, which is very cool. I might look into like behavior trees for these guys. Okay, see, he spotted me again. Yeah, I'm probably gonna look into behavior trees for this rather than just run it off blueprints. However, it works, you know. So if we sprint down here, I think he's chasing me. There's not really yet. One thing I want to add to that top eye icon is probably a thing showing you that you've been spotted. Maybe just make that eye red. You know, I'm pretty sure that is what they did in Evilton. So yeah, here's the end of the level. You can't see it for some reason. Why is it so dark in here? Okay, the teleporter model is here regardless. I'm gonna have to go in this blind. I can't really tell where the... What? Okay, that is a weird bug. Um, don't really know what happened there. Um, hmm. I think he might have just overlapped with something, and it... Maybe, did he overlap with, like, the wall or something? Okay, regardless, weird. Let me just throw a point light in here, just so we can see what I was trying to show you. Okay, point light, simple. Play from here. Right, so teleport end of level, and now there will be a screen at the end of a level showing you, you know, you completed the level, pretty much. But yeah, it teleports you to a new level, which is, if you can't tell, a work in progress. For some reason, and I'm not sure why, I have it as it should set has rifle, and it doesn't show the rifle, even though has rifle is attached to the visibility of the mover object. So that is weird. I'll probably fix that. Not probably, I will fix that. I don't know why I said probably. I'll get that fixed before the next devlog. But other than that, we have like a functional game now. You go from one level to another. Oh. We also have a menu that for some reason has stopped working. Nonetheless, we have a menu. It was working for like a week, and then I didn't touch it, and now it doesn't work. Not really sure why. If we go onto this, and we open. Whoa, it's a spaceship on fire, and it's slowly moving across. You can tell the UI is still here. That's just something that needs to be fixed. The buttons do not work. They did. Not sure why they don't anymore. But other than that, that is everything. Yeah. That I'm gonna have another make 100% sure that is everything that was added. I've talked about the robots, talked about the health kit, talked about the UI. Yeah, that's everything. Yeah, that is indeed everything. So yeah, that was everything that I've added in the past 2 weeks. I think it's been 2 weeks since I did the last one, and as you can tell, the game is looking a lot more like a functioning game now, rather than just a single level. Well, not even a level, just kind of here's how you do this, and then you do this, and then you do that. You know, it's more of a playable game now. But yeah, I'll get some of the stuff patched and I'll make number 7. So thank you.